stocks and news. For that, let's go to our researchers. We've got Navneet and Yatin. Good morning. Thank you for joining us. Navneet, as always, you go first with the list of large cap stocks.
Good morning, Nikunj. Keep an eye on Hindalco in today's trading session. Bit of negative news coming in there. A newspaper report has suggested that Hindalco faces transfer pricing tax notice, and that is because of company has earned an earning fee on corporate guarantees it provided to foreign banks for granting loans to its subsidiary AV Minerals. AV Minerals had borrowed from various lenders for Novelis acquisition of about $6 billion. Well, if you go by the newspaper report, it says that according to an order dated January 30th, the transfer pricing officer has made an adjustment of about 1,063 crores. Well, there is no tax demand notice which has received by Hindalco as of now, but it is expected in few weeks. Keep an eye on the stock of this company. It was down by about 3% on Friday's trading session, whereas currently the stock is trading below its 200-day moving average. And moving on to pharma major, Cipla will be in focus, as Cipla has said that it's postponing its buyout of MedPro over some valuation issues. Well, company in November 2012 had made an announcement to acquire 51% stake in MedPro for about $220 million, which would have given access to Cipla of about $3 billion African market. Keep an eye on Cipla. It would react to this news today. Well, the counter on YTD basis is down by about 8%, and currently the stock is trading above its 200-day moving average.
Okay, and over to Yatin. IGL as well as Blue Star. Yatin, what's the news on both of them?
Well, Aisha, some relief coming in for IGL because of the spot LNG prices rising to record levels. IGL has increased the piped natural gas prices in Delhi and NCR by 7%. Now, this hike has taken place with effect from yesterday midnight, and IGL is expected to benefit because of this, because their 7% steep hike has been there. The total PNG prices in Delhi would possibly go over 35 rupees per kg is what newspaper reports have been suggesting. Also, we have Blue Star and aggressive expansion plans coming in here. We have domestic companies which are struggling as far as the air conditioning market growth is concerned, but Blue Star has been betting on increased demand from the southern India markets, wherein 40% of the company's sale coming from that market. Blue Star is intending to spend nearly 200 crores to 175 crores in this expansion project, wherein it will be putting up a new plant as far as the air conditioning segment is concerned. So let's see how both of these stocks react to this particular news bits.